Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save a Word document as a PDF on iPhone. Now, in order for us to get this done, let's use this one here as an example. I'm going to go ahead and open this one. And if you don't want to make any changes anymore to your document, you can head over to this three dots here, the upper right. Click on that one, and then there's an option here that says export. Go ahead and click on export, choose PDF, and then you can go ahead and rename this if needed. And then you have your OneDrive right here, and you also have your other location. So say for example, I'm going to go ahead and save this on the Files app. Click that one over there, choose Downloads, and then from here I'm going to go ahead and click Save. And there you go, you have the PDF file right here. I can go ahead and open it just like so, and you can see that now it is in PDF. Again, everybody, that's how you're going to save a Word document as a PDF on iPhone.